Welcome to Pirates Fans TV. It's a 2-0 win to Orlando Pirates. We have Storms to analyze the game. Storms, Buili Polo Mfetu. Happy days are back.
Hey, member yami ndifuna nje ukuthi ndamkela abalandeli abasha esibathathe lapha kwi-AIFC this season. Kunabalandeli abasha enibaziyo ukuthi bebe supporto lamthuthu before babuyile bala kwiBhakaniya kahle kahle bathi bathande leskipa sethu seaway babe sebeyasijoyina and also bathande lendlela esiwine ngayi treble last season kaloku siyiwine i-treble sesingazidleli emnyama beseyingasadli beseyidliswe emnyama kahle kahle seyivele sithi hayi khani isikoreleni basikorele so sigcina ama supporters we-Kaizer Chiefs aze ngala nawe Sundowns aze ngala iSundowns nje mina abalandeli abayi57 ina 52 this season i5 ize ngala ngakuthi
Storms, of course, it's 2-0 win to Orlando Pirates. Abanye abantu bathi second half was a bit scrappy, you know, but obviously understandable because we had new players coming in. Thoughts on the second half performance and what was the problem there?
My brother, mna andiyibonanga problem.
Yeah.
Okokutsho ke ibhola siyibukele ngendlela efanayo. Sibukele ibhola eyi1 but asianalyze ngendlela efanayo.
Yeah.
That team was not bad.
Milford.
Manga, our team,
Our team,
our Orlando Pirates.
Yeah. No, it was not bad at all.
They were not bad. You need to we understand the ball ukuthi abadlali mabeqala ukudlala bonke. Abadlali abayi3 befika kubadlali abayi7 beqhela ukudlala together.
Yeah.
Labadlali abayi3 akuzuba easy uvele bakhawuleze adapt i-style of play salama players dala edlala kanye kanye. So mna amajita la abokhositsile orapu lunga ngasilela aphushile amajita and asiphakamisile isandla ukuthi masibone ukuthi sinama starting lineup ayi2 this season ngendlela enibone ngayo and kuzoshuba this season sizolibala noba besino president wama 2K kahle kahle ebesakhala ngaye sesizokhohlwa nje soon uba besikade sino president wama 2K ukuhamba kwa president wama 2K yangathi kufika o president abayi3 kulama players lamasha afikayo ngaphezulu kwalokho futhi sesiqala into entsha la istandini ku center line supporters sesinento ethi asazi ke kunabantu abasibuzayo ukuthi lo Haaland wethu ebephi ku national team sendihalela ukubabuza ukuthi u Ribeiro Costa ubani okwambona ku squad sase Brazil nje umuntu aniphendula umbuzo onjalo omnye mhlambi ndike ndimbuze umbuzo ndithi uInacio Miguel ngibane kwambona ku squad sase Portugal ngoba unabo ubuzwe base Portugal before iAngola. So mabasiyeke umuntu makabheka iplate yakhe but into endifuna uyitsho kuwe my brother namhlanje thina seyiOrlando Pirates kule season asikho under pressure nje ama games owadlala nje sithatha igame eyi1 ngesikhathi yabona ngoku mina seniqalile nti countdown sisalwe ngama game ayi29 seyidlalile igame kusele 29 games sihleli phezulu kwabanye noba bobani kodwa sihleli phezulu namhlanje njengoba la season sasihlele ezantsi kwigame yokuqala ngoku sisalwe ngu29 games so into enzoyitsho soloko thina sidlala asikho under pressure ileague ukuthi MTN 80 ukuthi iCarling Cup ikuthi why sizorasha ngabanye ontaba kayikhonjo lamthuthu abo baseMaraba Stad abane pressure yokujahana nathi labantu okokuqala abajaha ama PSL awards abanayo nje PSL award nje oyi1 umdlalo wabo basajaha ama PSL award after ama PSL award kumele bajaha ama trophy yonke lento la ku Pirates so thina kule season sizothatha yonke into yokuthiwa iCup la eSouth Africa so sesiyobanjwa iCAF nakhona lalo CAF leyo ingathi lahlile ngoba ila eduze la next door lapha efumaneka khona vele ikhaphe la next door uyayazi iMTN 8 sesiyiwina njalo nje sasiyilande la next door sasiyilande la next door iMTN 8 ifukhumbula kakuhle sekuyeyethu nje sekuthiwa siyiMTN 8 FC siyilande la eMaraba Stad kwisanda 1 so ikhefu mayi kwisanda 1 iyafumaneka ndithi kubo wonke abantu abazobukela le TV Orlando Pirates fans TV baze ba-underline le ndawo endithi ikhefu iyatholakala this season kwi-Pirates sizoyilanda lapha besilande khona MTN 8 niyayazi ke ukuthi MTN 8 sekuyeyethu nje besiyilande phi
quick one Storms, we saw tickets from 60 rand to 100 rand mfethu abayasibulala mfethu
my brother bayasibulala okokuqala uyeke indaba amathikithi qala abanyusa merchandise ePirates uqala izikipa bekade sizithenga nge700 nothi kudala seveza double price ngoku ithikithi lesizini besilithenga nge650 last season ngoku li double price nalithi 1.3 ithikithi la eOrlando bekade silithenga ngo60 rand 80 rand ngoku namhlanje ithikithi 100 rand hayi siyamcela uchairman wethu uDr Ivan Khoza senthetha ngochairman kaPSL because lento ayenzeki ku game eOrlando Pirates kuphela nakuma game eKaizer Chiefs namanye ama game into nje ekuthiwa leyo team izodlala nePirates or izodlala neKaizer Chiefs amathikiti kwenzeka lento hayi maka sincede basicabangela ukuthi siya travela ngemali zethu sithenga amajezi wama team sifuna uba bahle vele stadium ngemali yethu abasibonelele kumathikiti asicomplain but abasibonelela kumathikiti abe reasonable amathikiti siyacela asilwi nabo
thanks Storm.